I have the Samsung Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to turn off game mode, or basically how to disable game mode. So what you want to do is go to settings, and on the quick settings panel, if you scroll, you should see the game mode option. Now currently, as you can see, it's on, and if I press the selection button on the remote, that's going to cycle between auto, on, and off. Okay, so those are the three options you have. So that's basically how to turn off. So just cycle until it says off, like that. Now another way of doing it is going to all settings and then go to connection. Under connection, go to game mode settings, and then you should see game mode there. Press the selection button and then go ahead and turn it off. Select off. That's going to disable or turn off game mode on your Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.